Hi there, welcome to another problem session. So today we are doing this problem from 2024 JEE uh, Advanced Physics Paper 2. And if you like this way of doing things, you can check out this website. Okay, in this section of the this test, it says the answer is going to be a non-negative integer. All right, so this comes from error propagation section, sometimes very early on. It usually done in the lab also, but their air propagation is formulation is a little different, so you have to follow what they use it. Okay, and I'll do it according to their syllabus. Okay, so here's a volume of a cone is 1/3 by r square h, right? And r is diameter over 2. So the diameter at the base and the height are given. So both of these, so you actually have a little bit more work to do before you can relate to what you measured. And you can say 112 by d square h. So you measure d and h. So d was measured as some d value plus minus delta d, and h was measured as h plus minus delta h. And that part is, the delta part is given over here. It says both of these guys are 2 millimeter each. So delta d is 2 millimeter and delta h is 2 millimeter. But these guys are measured in centimeter. So we'll see. We don't need to really convert units because it is a percentage error. So units should cancel out in the end. But we have to be careful when you're doing units, okay? So the way you're going to propagate is think of v as a multivariate function of d and h. So if you want to say d, what is the change in d? If I change a little bit here and here, it's going to be dv dd dd plus dv dh dh, and then we just call this delta v, delta d, delta h, and we make an absolute values around it. That's their formula. In lab, we do in quadrature. We don't add like this. I don't absolutely. We say delta v is going to be square root of dv dd delta d square, so dv dh dh square, and it's going to give a different answer. Okay, and because they want percentage, we'll have to divide by v. So divide by v, and you can see right away. You can work out the formulas here, and this constant, you really don't have to worry about it because that constant is going to be canceling out from top and bottom. So this will be just this will be 2d h, and let's call that a constant c delta d plus d square delta h, and this is going to be constant times d square h. Now you distribute it, it's going to be 2 delta D over D plus 2 delta H over H. Not 2, not 2, there's not 2 there. And we just have to work out if I have to put in the same units now, right? So 2 millimeter will be 0.2 centimeter, and that's going to be 20 centimeter plus 0.1 over 20 centimeter. Okay, so we have a 20 and 0.5. Okay, so 0.6. And this is going to be, if I put this over there, I'm going to be 0.06 over 2, 0.03. That's at 3%. So I got the ratio. I can write the ratio like this, but the question is percentage error. So convert that to percentage, the answer will be 3. This is pretty easy one. I went ahead and worked out this guy also, and I got 2.26 or 24%. So you usually get a smaller error if you do it that way. And this kind of conservative way of saying the error is kind of quite big. Okay. But because they use this as a in their syllabus, you got to use that formula when in the test or when you do another problem like this. Okay, that's it. Okay, take care. Bye.